Today we're going to make a delicious and beautiful carrot square together. Stay with me until the end of the video for all the tips and tricks. How to make the carrot square tasty. I'll show you how to make it so the sugar doesn't cause mold and it lasts a long time. I'm going to teach you how. I washed half a kilo of carrots, cut off the ends, and then peeled them. For this half a kilo of carrots, we need 400 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, or you can use citric acid instead, 2 tablespoons of rose water, 2 tablespoons of brewed saffron, 2 cardamom pods, and 2 cups of water. Grate the carrots with a fine grater. You can also put them in a mixer or food processor, or you can cut them into thin julienne strips. After grating the carrots, put them in a suitable pot and add the 2 cups of water. Place the pot on the heat, put the lid on the pot and let the carrots cook and soften for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the sugar. Stir so that the sugar and carrots mix well together. Put the lid back on the pot and let it cook for another 1 to 1.5 hours. Let it cook on low heat until it thickens and softens. During this time, occasionally stir the jam and check its liquid level so that it doesn't dry out. After 1.5 hours, the jam is cooked and its liquid is starting to thicken. In the last 20 minutes, add the saffron, rose water, and our lemon juice. Stir the jam so that all these ingredients mix well together. Adding the lemon juice will help the jam last longer. Adding saffron, rose water, and cardamom gives this jam an amazing and unique flavor. Apricot jam is not supposed to be watery. The amount of liquid in the jam should be just right. If the jam has too much liquid, it will quickly get moldy after a while, and if it has too little liquid, it will crystallize. To check if your jam has reached the right consistency, pour a little of the syrup into a dish and place it in the freezer for 2 to 3 minutes. If it has reached your desired consistency, turn off the heat. One thing you should keep in mind is that the jam will thicken even more after it cools. When the syrup reaches this level of consistency, turn off the heat and let the jam cool completely. After it has cooled, pour the jam into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. And here you have a delicious, flavorful, and unique carrot jam with an amazing taste and texture. Its consistency should always be just right, not too runny and not too thick. After each use, make sure to tightly close the container and always use a completely clean spoon. This will help the jam last longer. I hope you make it too and enjoy it. My dear friend, liking this video doesn't take any time from you, but it gives me more motivation to create even better and higher quality videos. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, follow my channel, and turn on the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for being with me.